What's up, guys? We're here at Sunset Ridge for round 4 of the ATV Motocross series. Track's looking really awesome. Super pumped to get out there and ride. You know, we're hoping for a good weekend. The weather's looking a little iffy today. We're running into a little thunderstorms later in the day, but right now it's really nice. Like I said, the track looks great. We're ready to go out there and start qualifying. My goals for this weekend are just to try to maintain my points lead. Obviously, I want to go out here and win every moto I go for, but you know, sometimes in weather, it's best to just come out and be consistent, and that's what my plan is today. Just run consistent laps, stay up front, and stay healthy.
Just coming in this weekend, I'm out here to take the W and get max points and really chomp into the points lead that Joel got a little bit last round, and I'm still really not too happy about the move that he did on me at the first moto, but I'm just going to go out there and give everything I got and try to put this blue machine on top today.
Yeah, coming off the last round with a podium spot, that helped a lot with the training at home. I'm feeling really good right now, so I'm hoping to carry that into this weekend. There's some weather rolling in, so we'll see if that comes into a factor, but I like the big tires too, so we'll be ready for that. But yeah, everything's looking great, and I'm ready for the weekend.
feel like I got some momentum rolling right now, and we're going to build on it and keep rolling to PA here next. And but we're going to enjoy this one with the friends and family that came down for the home race here. And just a huge thanks to everybody for coming out, and great day here at Sunset Ridge, and no rain. All right, thanks.
You know, first moto just worked out great for me, and I had it planned out in my head. Like, I just needed to win one of them motos today to split points if, you know, worst come to worst, and it did. Second moto, it got really rough. I had a good start, and I just couldn't put the pace down to do it safely for 20 minutes, and I did what I had to do, maintain my points lead, and leaving here with the second place going into Pleasure Valley, my home track. Super pumped to go out and try to win at the hometown for the crew. So, you know, thanks to everyone out here. Thanks to the Phoenix Racing Honda crew for all the hard work, and my mechanic Gary for wrenching every weekend like he does.
I can't thank everybody enough that supports me. Man, I'm looking forward to keep going. We've had some bad luck this season. It just seems like a moto here and there. We just had little things go wrong. So looking forward to the rest of the season, get this ball back on track, another podium, and hopefully keep the ball rolling in the future rounds.